Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we have really good and stupid video. We have epic chainsaw fight or brutal chainsaw test. You probably guessed the idea. We are going to chainsaw with the chainsaw. Which one is going to win? Only the strongest saw will survive. And this is extremely dangerous. You should never try anything like this at home. We have used like 3 days on planning and making this as safe experiment as we can. The saws are really strong attached to the press. They are not going to go anywhere. And if they go, we have the cables here that are going to pull the brake and stop the saw. And then of course we are really far away behind strong polycarbonate blast shield. And we have protective equipment on. I have like chainsaw clothes, and then we have motorcycle helmets and stuff like that. We have fire extinguishers. Everything is ready for the burst. And the saws are not going to go anywhere. I'm a bit worried that the chains are break and fly away, but because of that we have the shielding and the motorcycle helmets and stuff like that. So we are going to be okay, but this is really hard video to make. I think that this is going to be terrifying to watch, especially here, but also on your home screens. And after the chainsaws, we are going to test chainsaw vs grinder also. That's going to be also epic fight. We have 2 cheap chainsaws with the cheap chains. After cheap chains, we are going to test really expensive ones. See what's the difference. Okay, I have to say that I was hoping a bit more. It just jumped away. We are going to make them extra tight. They were now like reasonable tension. I'm going to make them way too tight. Okay, we managed to damage the chain from the bottom saw, but luckily I had this much better chain that should fit this activity much better. And the chains are so tight that they hardly move at all. Okay, it seems that it's impossible to keep the chain on the saw. That was stupidly tight. But now we are going to test with tungsten carbide bit chain, so the bits are extremely durable, and now we are going to keep going. If the chain drops, we are going to saw the blade in half. Mennään sit pitkään. Joo. Okay, that was about my picture in my mind about this video, what should happen. And I think we crushed so much that the saw can move slightly on this around its handle. It's not to stress your hands with the shaking. So that movement was so much that the press tool activated the brake and the saw stopped. But it already did quite a lot of damage there. And the bits are like not sharp anymore, but it clearly like still had something on in it. So if we would be continuing and this would be without the brake, I think we would be able to cut the whole blade. That's pretty metal, I would say. Yeah, but now the second thing that everybody wants to see, which is better, grinder or chainsaw? And because chainsaw has the cutting saw, we put a cutting disc on the grinder to make it equal.
Yeah, very equal.
Yeah. I think the chainsaw has the weight advantage and also way better reach. So I would put my money on the saw.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, then the grinder.
Grinder goes.
Okay, the thin cutting disc was no match for tungsten carbide chainsaw chain, but I think this was really interesting to pit up against each other like different types of cutting tools. If you have good match-ups on your mind, please let us know. We can mount whatever here. I have maybe already bought some power tools to be tested on future videos. But there is probably like ideas that we are not able to get, and I hope that this video gets a lot of views, so there is a lot of people with great stupid ideas. And yeah, I think I'm really pleased on how the video turned out. Of course, some of the results were a bit underwhelming, but I was just wanted to make this happen and make it safe. Yeah, I think that this is pretty clear. Chainsaw with the tungsten carbide chain, that's the shit. That's the best thing to cut stuff. If you have any other machines that you would like to see here on the whatever arena is this, hydraulic press channel arena, please let us know. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.